Broadway shows have a certain status for a reason. They're the best. Luckily, you don't have to go to New York to experience a world-class performance. In San Diego, you can spend your day at the beach and see a Broadway show at night.
Broadway San Diego is a local arm of the Nederlanders, which owns and operates 9 venues on Broadway in London, LA, Chicago. They've been doing this for over 100 years and have an incredible reputation in this industry. We've been presenting Broadway in San Diego for over 40 years, and now the road from Broadway to San Diego is actually shorter than it's ever been.
We have a lot of people who come from Tijuana over to San Diego, and they're able to enjoy the theater and vice versa. And it's just a really nice way to bring different communities together in all walks of life.
We want to make everything from the moment you buy your ticket to the time you drive off and you're sharing stories about what you saw that night. We want to make it easy, we want to make it simple. It's important to us that we bring people together to experience live performances.
Well, they can get their own drinks.
The San Diego theater community can have a family experience, can learn about the theater that they're going to. It sets us apart from other markets, other cities.
I wanted to be able to introduce my son to the great imagination that theater can provide you.
We recently heard a story of a young lady who attended Wicked at the San Diego Civic Theater with her grandmother, and she knew that night this was a field that she wanted to pursue. And now that young lady, Mariah Rose Faith, is going to have a full circle moment of her own when she performs on that very stage in Mean Girls.
It's so fetch.
Stories like Mariah's are important to us because we understand the importance of developing young audiences. And that is why programs like The Kids Not on Broadway is so important to us.
I kind of learned that a lot of dresses you could buy if you were like a millionaire.
Any ticket holder on a Friday night can come an hour before the curtain, and we meet on the upstairs mezzanine, and I talk about the show, and I tell them different histories about the show or about the playwrights or the composers.
Broadway San Diego Awards celebrates excellence in high school musical theater. We take the top 20 in our county and host a Tony Awards style competition. It's an incredible program, and we're just thrilled to be part of it. It's important to us that we bring the best of Broadway to San Diego, and we're fast at work already for another exciting season, and we still have some really great shows lined up to come. That includes Dear Evan Hansen, Disney's Frozen, and we're really thrilled to bring Come From Away back to San Diego as a Tony winner, and that started right here at the La Jolla Playhouse.
And if we do return to you, we'll make your cradles rock. Evil way.
It's different than just going to see a show that's touring through. It feels like it's yours, and Broadway San Diego makes that very special for us.
There's always something exciting to experience with Broadway San Diego.